Hello, August. Kids ready for school? I'm Darren, and this is 3 things for Thursday, August the 1st. The Bank of Japan decided to raise its interest rates again, this time up to about 0.25%. This is the third highest since October 2008, which of course was in the financial crisis era. The move did help the yen. A D.C. attorney general is suing StubHub for what it calls deceptive, manipulative, and unfair practices. The complaint details that the customer is given one price, but then as the purchaser goes through a lengthy process, more fees are added along the way. Remember the big Hollywood strike that postponed a lot of movies recently? It looked like another was lined up ready to go, but a tentative deal between the Teamsters and Basic Crafts and the studios was reached right at the deadline. Wage increases seem to be the last hurdle. Trade while you're sleeping across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech.
Kids across America are going to school hungry. Millions of kids every day. But one simple thing can help change all of this for a hungry child in America. Good, healthy food and the energy it brings. With help from caring people across America, No Kid Hungry is providing healthy meals and hope to hungry kids so they can build better futures. To learn more about ending child hunger in America, go to helpnokidhungry.org today.
Short selling stocks. Daniel writes, what is short selling? Well, short selling is an investment strategy where traders bet against a stock's price by borrowing shares and selling them at the current market price. The aim is to buy the shares back later at a lower price, return them to the lender, and pocket the difference as profit. This strategy is inherently risky as it relies on the stock price falling, which is not always guaranteed. The short seller borrows shares from a broker, then these shares are sold at the current market price, and then the short seller waits, hoping the stock price will decline. If the price falls, the short seller buys back the shares at the lower price. The shares are returned to the broker, and the difference between the sell and buy price is your profit. Now, short selling is used for various reasons. Traders speculate that a stock is overvalued and due for a correction. Investors use short selling to hedge against potential losses in their portfolio. Some view short selling as a way to correct market inefficiencies, exposing overvalued stocks and preventing bubbles. Well, here's a little history. Short selling dates back to the early 1600s with the first known short sale in a Dutch stock market. Over the centuries, it has evolved and become a sophisticated financial instrument. Despite its long history, short selling has always been surrounded by controversy due to its perceived negative impacts on markets. Success in short selling depends on accurate market predictions and timing. It can be highly profitable, but it comes with significant risks. Unlike traditional investing, where losses are limited to the invested amount, short selling can result in unlimited losses as the stock price can rise indefinitely. Predicting the exact timing of a stock's decline is challenging and often results in losses if the timing is off. Borrowing shares incurs costs, which can eat into profits if the stock doesn't drop as anticipated. Short selling has faced criticism and legal challenges. Here are some critical points. Large-scale short selling can lead to market instability and panic selling. Some believe short sellers manipulate markets by spreading negative information to drive down stock prices. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, has been vocal about his disdain for short selling. He famously remarked that short selling is un-American, as it involves betting against the success of companies. Buffett's perspective highlights a broader debate on whether short selling contributes to or detracts from the overall health of financial markets. Short selling remains a polarizing strategy in the investment world. While it offers opportunities for profit and market correction, it also carries significant risks and ethical concerns. Understanding the mechanics, history, and controversies of short selling is crucial for investors considering this approach. As with any investment strategy, thorough research and a clear understanding of the risks are essential. Check out Deep Dive with Daniel on all social media platforms where I add my opinions and more detail to this sticky subject. Stop watching, start living using Pips, our AI bot. Go to arbitragetrade.com and check out Arbitrage Trade Assist.
Uh-oh, Brad's buzzed.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's starting with the woots. And now a speech.
I just want to say that friendship is about heart and brain. Who's with me?
Good thing is, he knows when he's buzzed.
And my brain is saying, when it's time to go home, somebody call me a ride.
Love that guy.
Me too.
Know your buzzed warning signs? Call for a ride when it's time to go home. Buzz driving is drunk driving. A message from NHTSA and the Ad Council.
Pips, pick of the day, and it's Throwback Thursday. I give you a pick of the day every Monday through Wednesday, and then on Thursdays I review all of the AI bot Pips wins over the months. And Pips makes it easy for me with his 12 indicators. This week it's 1-800-Flowers.com, and that's FLWS. They are headquartered in New York, and they provide gift design, basically. They operate through the following segments, which are consumer floral and gifts, BloomNet, gourmet foods, and gift baskets. FLWS was picked as the pick of the day on July 1st, after a green arrow formed the previous Friday. This was as the compass line moved over the momentum line, which is one of our favorite indicators. It opened on the 1st at $9.63. Then we saw a slow moving upward movement after that, and then on July 11th, a significant upward movement materialized until it reached $11.10 on July 16th, and that is a 15% gain plus. After profits were taken, it rose again after 3 straight days of green arrows, so it could be on its way back up there once again after taking profits. If you want to see the graphs and the 12 indicators, look for my video post about Throwback Thursdays on social media, where I break it all down in video. Put our AI bot Pips to work for you with Arbitrage Trade Assist. We are not financial advisors. We offer a service at arbitragetrade.com.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.